Ever stared at a chaotic folder full of images? Cats, dogs, cars, memes. And thought, there has to be a smarter way to sort this stuff. Well, what if I told you? You can build an AI application, with simple code that is not huge and complex. This app sees your photos the way humans do, but faster, smarter, and without any training from scratch. This isn't just another video tutorial on the basics of the Python programming language. It's your personal AI companion. Designed by you, it's powered by OpenAI's CLIP model. A model that not only sees, but also understands. Across this free step-by-step video series, here's what we'll cover. In the first video, we'll learn how to install Python 3.11 on Windows 11, set up pip, and fix common errors. In the second video, we will learn how to install all the packages needed for an AI image classification project, such as PyTorch, Transformers, and Clip. In the third video, we will provide a step-by-step guide to building a full AI-powered image classification desktop app. No deep learning experience required. In the fourth video, we will learn how to run the AI image classifier app, troubleshoot common errors, and see real-time classification results. In the fifth video, we will learn how to create a standalone exe file from Python project. With just a few clicks, select the source folder and destination folder, and then click the Start Image Classification button. Your photos will be organized into folders, such as people, food, animals, nature, and more. This video series is designed for beginner to intermediate Python developers who are curious about real-world AI applications. You don't need advanced math or deep knowledge of machine learning. If you know the basics of Python, can install the necessary libraries, write a print statement, and are willing to learn, you're ready to build this application. By the end of this video series, you'll not only understand how to build an image classification application, you'll also have a working product to demonstrate or even develop. So, if you're excited to learn AI by building something cool, make sure to like this video to help others find it. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. Check the full playlist in the description to follow along. Let's build something awesome together. I'll see you in the first part of this series.